Take command of the road in the 2014 Toyota Venza. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Toyota are offered, including power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power liftgate, rear wipers, and power windows. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 13 speakers, ensuring optimum sound no matter where you're seated. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.